I might have the most many stuffed toys. I have the most many stuffed toys because, bro, there are like 28 or 39 or 31. Bro, look at how many is it. Bro, can be like, I have a McDonald's fries plushie. It's kinda dirty. Oh yeah, that good boy Pebble. Of course you, Goob. Now I'm going to abuse you. Say goodbye. That's what I'm doing to Goob always. Goob, our TV is broken. Why? Because there's a typhoon. And our wall is moist. No! That's my daily life. Also, we have puppies. Like 3. And then we have 1 dog. That's Whitey. First, maybe they're under the car. No, not in here. Let's just go. Ah! That hurts.